Today we are tackling about technology and also what is technology.
So what is technology? Technology is the use of science and engineering to create systems that solve problems, improve efficiency, and expand human capabilities.
By using electrical and digital resources like our gadgets that help us to reconnect our world and help us to communicate.
There are many things that humans use it for their daily life, just like gadgets, appliances, and transportation, just like car, bus, and train.
Improve communication and collaboration skills. Learners can develop new skill and knowledge.
Technology. Technology has made our life more convenient and connected.
Here are a few positive impacts.
Communication with smartphone and the internet, we can instantly connect with anyone around the world. Social media, messaging apps, and video calls allow us to maintain a relationship regardless of distance.
Education. Devices like tablets and projectors have transformed learning. We can easily access information online and use interactive lessons, visual presentations to understand complex concepts.
Productivity. With printers and computers, tasks that took 1 hour can be now done in minutes. Printing documents, creating presentation, and sharing works online have all become simple and quick.
While technology offers many benefits, it also has some negative consequences, just like health risks. Spending too much time on smartphones, tablets, and computers can lead to eye strain, poor posture, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression.
Addiction, the internet, and social media are designed to keep us engaged, and it's easy to spend hours scrolling without realizing it. This can lead to addiction, affecting both mental health and productivity.
Tablets are compact and versatile. They're popular for educational and entertainment purposes, allowing us to read ebooks, watch videos, and play games. Smartphones. Smartphones are perhaps the most revolutionary device of all. With apps for almost everything, they have become essential in modern life. Projectors are great for presentation and classroom lessons. They have display content on a large screen, making it easier for everyone to see and follow along. Television. TVs aren't just for watching movies or shows anymore. Many smart TVs have internet access that allows us to stream and allows us to use apps. The internet connects us to endless information and resources, allowing us to learn, communicate, and stay informed in ways we never thought possible. Printers make it easy to create physical copies of digital documents. They're still widely used in school, offices, and homes for assignments, projects, and important documents.
Communication technology allows people to communicate instantly across the world. Entertainment technology has revolutionized entertainment, making music and movies more accessible. Efficiency technology can increase productivity and efficiency in the workplace, saving time. Decision-making technology can help make faster and more accurate decisions by using artificial intelligence and machine learning process large amount of data. Solving problems technology has helped humans solve problems like traveling long distance by building roads, rails, ships, and aircrafts. Healthcare technology can help make faster and more accurate decisions by using artificial intelligence and machine learning to process large amount of data. Access information. Technology has revolutionized how people access information and knowledge.